Hey guys, we had some users who wanted a tutorial on how to set up Pabbly and Google Sheets with Cheatlayer, and that's what we're going to test now. In general, all these integrated services are set up in the same way usually. So first click Create Webhook, and the first step is to search for a webhook. Click that. You want to copy this URL, and then go to cheatlayer.com/bot. Paste the URL in this form and click submit. And what this will do is when you generate GPT-3 code, it'll automatically replace the URL in sending things to Google Sheets in the correct URL. And let me explain what I mean by that. Okay, and it looks like it's collected all the links. We don't need this extra stuff. Let's see if it's the right one. Sometimes, yeah, you do need to reinstall. So when you first set up, make sure you set up the URL first, then reinstall or install the extension. And so what we're going to do now is test this. And looks like it's got the data that we need. And then we're going to go to our next step is Google Sheets. Add a new row. You can select any one of these, but we're going to test add a new row. Allow Google Sheets to connect to Pabbly. Okay. Okay, and it looks like it sent something here. So now let's save. Okay, that's done. Okay. Looks like this is enabled, so let's test it. And it looks like it's working. So it's taking all the links on this page and then sending it to Google Sheets according to the data format that we specified in Pabbly. And so this is how you connect Cheatlayer with Pabbly and Google Sheets. In other videos, we'll also teach you how to do integrately and IFTTT. So stay tuned. Thank you.